how to replace a motherboard or system board. Safety first. Use proper ESD precaution before opening a system. By this way, we do not get electrocuted. Step 2. Power off the CPU and remove the power cable. Step 3. Remove all the components like VGA, keyboard, mouse, LAN in the backside of the system. Step 4. Remove 2 screws from CPU backside. Step 5. Remove side cover of the CPU carefully. Step 6. Remove SMPS power connector and 12-volt connectors. Step 7. Remove if there are any PCI cards in motherboard. Step 8. Remove all the cables in motherboards like SATA, PATA, front panel USB, audio, power and restart buttons. Step 9. Remove all the RAMs. Step 10. Remove heatsink fan cable and remove 4 screws in the fan. Step 11. Remove the processor lock and carefully take out the processor. Step 12. Remove all the motherboard screws. Step 13. Take the motherboard outside of the cabinet. Step 14. Remove the base plate from the bottom of the motherboard. Step 15. Fix the base plate in good or new motherboard. Step 16. Put the processor into the motherboard processor socket. Step 17. Apply the heatsink paste on the processor. 18. Fix the heatsink fan. Step 19. Insert the motherboard into the cabinet. Step 20. Fix all the screws in the cabinet. Step 21. Fix the RAM. Step 22. Fix all the cable in motherboard like SATA, PATA, front USB, audio, power and restart buttons. Step 23. Fix SMPS power connector and 12-volt connector. Step 24. Fix all the add-on cards. Step 25. Close the side cover. Step 26. Close the 2 screws. Step 27. Fix all the peripherals. And that's how it is done.